I think it was 2012 when I made a photo for Christmas using my fingers as puppets in macro. That photo went on to sell hundreds of times. It's made me like $300 for a close-up of my fingers. Here's the thing though, even then, I was a little bit paranoid, maybe that conspiracy side of my brain, and I digitally altered in Photoshop my fingerprints because, you know, it was right there, it was up close, high definition. So I changed them. You may call it paranoid, but I call it early. Now that we're in 2025, you know what kind of trouble those finger puppets like that could have got me in because my fingerprints are online? Welcome to the channel. My name is Charles Wollertz. This is Wollertz Photography, and here we talk about all things photography, but usually with a little bit of stock photography in mind. Now, this video is going to be a little bit different because, yes, as stock photographers, we do hands, close-ups, details, eyes, eyeballs, faces, all of this stuff because they sell. But they're also giving out something we can't change, and that's your biometric identity. I actually printed this out because there's a lot of cases here. In 2014, a hacker named Jan Kistler, the Starbug, recreated a German government official's fingerprint by analyzing a high-resolution press photo. In India, scammers used forged fingerprints cloned from real people to activate SIM cards and drain bank accounts linked to Aadhaar, the national biometric system. In 2019, a massive leak from the BioStar 2 platform exposed over 1 million fingerprints and facial recognition profiles used in banks and police departments. And more recently, identity thieves have started pulling selfies from the internet, yes, even stock photos, to bypass KYC systems to deep fake facial variations and commit financial fraud. How many of us have access to our bank account with our facial recognition, or can lock our phones using our face? And how many photos do you have out there? Right now, we have tools that can clone fingerprints from photographs. You can fool iris scanners with printed images of your eyes. You can even morph facial data to create synthetic passports. This isn't sci-fi, this is what's happening right now, the tools that we have right now. And stock photography could be a goldmine for this biometric harvesting. What can we do now in 2025? Well, first of all, like I said, in 2012, I erased and manipulated my fingerprints, twist them upside down and completely changed them so that my fingers were safe. Because a password you can change. Your iris scan or your fingerprint you can't change. So try to have multiple levels of security on your devices. This way you're gonna protect yourself, and if you're doing photos with somebody else, try to keep their identity protected. Yes, you're gonna need a model release and that might be difficult. So try to manipulate things so that they don't get in trouble. Or I don't know, I honestly don't know where this is gonna go. 2025, things are changing rapidly. Maybe avoid close-ups of, honestly, what do we do? I'm asking you, please tell me. Am I just being paranoid? When we shoot different models or people, just be very careful. I know most of us are online. We have photos, we take photos. If you're taking photos of models, they're gonna be online already. So just try to be a little bit more careful and bring out the honesty that we don't know who's gonna use these photos or for what, especially if we're selling them for stock. We have no idea. I don't know where they're gonna end up. Maybe somebody maybe don't want their close-up. So let's keep this in mind. It's the only thing that I can think of right now because I don't know where this is gonna go or what we're gonna have in 5 more years, 10 more years, how this technology is gonna affect us. Right now with a picture, you can make a video using AI. So, the sky's the limit. I just don't know that it's going with us. This could get really scary.